Hey everyone, just imagine for every PDF file you will get paid $20. So now let me show you how to do that step by step. So buckle up and let's dive into today's topic and get started with going to an awesome website that is essay.pro. This spectacular website enables you to write essays professionally. You're undetectable AI writer. So first and foremost, what does it mean by an essay? The essay, it's one type of article in an academic style that contains factual information. So the essay could be a social experiment, a personal experiment, or scientific facts based on evidences and citations from trustworthy references. And of course, and right at the bat, ChatGPT couldn't do that for you to generate essays because its output contain a lot of different errors and inaccuracies. So in today's video, you're gonna leverage Essay.pro for free to write essays and sell them professionally and get paid. So the first step in our today's topic, how to get topic ideas to write essays about. So we can get them from ChatGPT or one of its alternatives. And of course, you can find down below in the description box in the first comment a big list that contains the best ChatGPT alternatives, including par.google. So here in this awesome website, you can ask ChatGPT to give you some topic ideas to write essays about. So we can type something like, give me some topic ideas to write essay about in the niche of, so you can select any niche you want, like the solar energy, chemistry, physics, or something else. So here in today's topic, we can give me some topic ideas to write essay about in the planting niche, for example, or you can select anything else as you like. And then you will get a plethora of different topic ideas to write essays and start our journey in today's video. So we can pick one of them, like this one, for example, the importance of soil health for plant growth. So we can copy and go back to our wonderful website today, that is Essay.pro, and here insert your input here. Following that, click over this button, create for free. And how long should it be? So here you can select its words and the count of pages. So you can set this default settings and click over this next. And how should it sound? Pick your tone of voice. So here you can select your tone of voice inside your essay, whether it is informative, objective, analytical, descriptive, and something like that. So we can select this one, for example, analytical. Next, again, need citations in your work, which style? So here you can select one of them, like MLA, that stands for Modern Language Association, or IE, for example, the Institute of Electrical Electronics Engineer, and so on and so forth. So we can select one of them, like this one, for example, and click over this button next. And here it would craft a table of content and the structure of your essay, starting with introduction and the different chapters, as you see. So click over this button again, next. And then in this section, in this free plan in Essay.pro, you will get 3 AI actions available here to generate a paragraph for any chosen heading you want. So for example, if we selected this one, definition of soil health, and we want to generate a paragraph about this heading, so we can click over this button, generate. And just in a few seconds, here you will get an amazing paragraph and factual information about this topic or this idea. And of course, just you can complete all these paragraphs using these AI actions credits. Here in the mind, here you are in the free plan. So you have two options. Either you can proceed and upgrade your account to complete this essay in a paid subscription, or you can get help from another website that blow your mind. That is Longshot AI. Longshot AI, one of the best copywriting assistants out there right now. Here you can find different ideas and different templates and different tools that blow your mind. Such as here you can find a ChatGPT alternative that's empowered by GPT-4, or here you can find Autoplug workflows. Here you can write search engine optimized articles about any topic in any niche, or Here you can find in our today's topic this one, Fact GPT. It's a spectacular feature here on Longshot AI, and this feature sets Longshot from all other copywriting assistant and AI tools out there. This awesome website gives you the factual events that even happened 2 weeks ago and information based on facts and citations. As here in these examples, like what's in the latest in generative AI in August 2023, as you observe. So here, all you need to do, just you can go back again to Asset Pro, and here in this whole structure, and select one by one every single heading, as you see, like this one, for example. Okay, copy and go back again to Longshot AI, and here in this box, just you can insert here your input here, paste. Therefore, you can generate an awesome and factual paragraph based on this topic and this heading, so to speak. So now we can craft our essay using both websites, Essay.pro for free and Longshot for free as well. So now we can go together to the next step. That is, we can convert this text to a handwriting style. So now we can opt for an amazing website that is 115.io. 115.io. Here you can find a plethora of AI tools and simple tools that will help you more in your online business, including this in categories. You can find text tools. Afterward, just you can go down below, and here you can find this one, text to handwriting converter. Here you can convert your text to a handwriting style. So for instance, just you can pick a paragraph like this one, for example, about soil health, copy and go back to this website and insert here. This text would be converted to this awesome handwriting style, as you see. And the best part, here you can change your font as you like from this drop down menu, like this one, for example, or this one, as you like. Or you can change its font size from this option, or you can even select from a variety of ink color as you want. It could be red, black, blue, and so on. So you can make it dark black, as you observe, or you can select the different paper type. So here in this black lined paper, so you can change it from this drop down menu, and here you can find a wide range of these different papers. Like this one, for example, we can make it gray lined paper and so forth. And on top of that, you can download this paper with this amazing style into different formats. Either download as an image or download as a PDF, and here is our desired format in our today's video. So you can download the PDF file. So now we got our say about any topic, as I said before. It's time to how we can sell these essays and get paid. There are many websites that accept these essays. One of them that is studyloop.com. Here you can upload your work and earn money as you observe. All you need to do, just you can drag and drop your PDF file here, or your essay, so to speak. Then it would be reviewed. If it would be accepted, you will get paid via PayPal. Okay, or you can sell your essays as well in paperstock.com. Here you can sell your study documents and your essays professionally here in this awesome website. Here you can sell your notes, summaries, past exams, assignments, and much more, including your essays that you have generated from Essay.pro with the help from Longshot AI as well, as you observe. Or you can sell your essays iWriteEssays.com. Here you can fill in this application to upload your document from this option. Then if it would be accepted, you will get paid $10 for every single PDF you upload here in this awesome website. Or this website that is studyzoras.com. Here you will get paid from $25 to $40 for unique essays, as you see. Or you can sell your documents and your PDF files professionally like a boss in studypool.com. Here you can upload your study documents and notes and much more, including your essays, and you will get up to $10 for every time every user or every student who downloaded your documents. Or you can sell your documents as well in sellmyessays.com. Here you can make extra cash uploading your essays and your documents. Or on the other hand, there are many websites that are like a magazine or a publishing website that accept your essays like a social and personal experiment. Like this one, for example, motherwellmag.com. Here is awesome website, accepts your essays based on your stories and your factual events for parenting, for your motherhood and something like that. Or this splendid website that is thesmartset.com. Here it would accept your essays based on these different topics. And of course you can use Asset Pro and Longshot UI to write essays to provide this gig and this service on freelancing websites. And on top of them, Fiverr.com. Here you can provide your service to write professional essays as these people as you observe. Or TopTal.com or Goro.com or PeoplePerHour.com and much more of these beautiful freelancing platforms. So that way you can earn money, you can write articles and get paid by using this awesome website Essay.pro that helps you to generate essays with no fear of AI detection anymore. By the end, thank you for watching, and if you have any question you can leave in the comment section. See you in the next video.